making my perfect version of finger food with this chicken and cheese empanada. Empanadas are extremely popular in the Philippines, and to me they're just like pockets of heaven. They're absolutely delicious. You can make them savory, you can make them sweet, as long as you have your kind of pie crust pastry that we're using right now, and then we're gonna put different fillings in it, and it's gonna be so glorious. We're gonna start off heating up some oil and adding a little bit of garlic to it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and chop in some spring onions, 1 red chili. Don't need the piths on this one. About 1/2 should be more than enough. We're gonna add our chopped chicken breast. So this has been seared with just some salt and some pepper. Throw that in with the rest of my ingredients. I'm gonna make a well in the center and grab my cream cheese. I have some cumin, a little bit of salt, some paprika. And now what we wanna do is just mash up that cheese with everything. A little bit of some Monterey Jack cheese, just to give me some more melted goodness in this recipe. So you'll see that all this starts sticking together, and that's exactly what we're looking for. And right before going into our dough, I'm gonna add some more spring onions, just to give me even more acidity. Now we wanna start working on our dough. So I've got a rolling pin out here, a little bit of flour to it, and I just wanna make 2 large pieces. We're looking for something not too thin so it doesn't break and it's not too brittle. Slice this right at the middle. Then I'm gonna take my mix, place that right here in the middle. Now that it's filled, what we're gonna do is just kind of roll that out, press it down around the mixture. I'm not a baker, I've never been a baker, just because I lack the finesse that it takes for baking. So if these are not very pretty, I apologize, but trust me, they will be tasty. So we can just kind of round these out to the side, and then what we want to do is kind of fold these out, and we're gonna do the same thing on this one here. So the way I like to do it is usually I just press down, and then I do 1 fold, I press down, I do 1 fold, etc., etc. So I've got my tray out, a little bit of oil, spread that out, and then we're gonna place this in the oven. So after 15 minutes, I have my empanada that's nice and ready to go. Now these are really fun to do because they're so easy to do, and at the same time you can just put a bunch of different fillings